Black swan events are unpredictable events that can cause significant disruption to financial markets, economies, and individual wealth. But here's the thing, there's a way to protect your wealth from these rare but catastrophic events. That's where gold IRAs come in. When people talk about the financial markets crashing, many focus on the immediate impacts like stock market dips or bank runs. But what about the long-term effects? The market could take years to recover, and your investments might not bounce back the way you hope. Gold, on the other hand, has stood the test of time. It's been a safe haven for wealth preservation for thousands of years. But how does it work when it comes to protecting your wealth from black swan events? Let's dive in. First thing to understand is the nature of a black swan event. Think about the 2008 financial crisis or the COVID-19 pandemic. These were events that no one saw coming, and they had massive consequences. But even during those times of financial uncertainty, gold remained a reliable asset. It's been a safe store of value that can hold its worth when everything else is in free fall. That's why a gold IRA can act as a hedge against market volatility and the financial turmoil these black swan events can create. Next thing to consider, diversification. If all your savings are tied up in stocks, bonds, or real estate, you're exposed to the same risks when the market crashes. The power of a gold IRA is that it gives you an alternative asset class that moves independently of traditional financial markets. So, when the stock market is crashing, gold tends to rise, helping to balance your portfolio and protect your wealth from a major downturn. Now, let's talk about inflation. In times of crisis, governments often print more money to stabilize the economy. This devalues the currency, and we see inflation rise, which can erode the purchasing power of your savings. Gold, however, has historically performed well during times of inflation. A gold IRA can protect your wealth from the risk of your money losing its value due to inflation, especially when those black swan events cause governments to take drastic action. The fourth thing you need to know is liquidity. Unlike real estate or other physical assets, gold is highly liquid. This means that in times of financial uncertainty, you can sell or transfer gold relatively quickly to access cash when you need it most. Whether you need cash for an emergency or want to adjust your portfolio in response to a crisis, gold provides flexibility that other investments might not. Lastly, the trust factor. With a gold IRA, you're in control. You hold tangible assets in a tax-advantaged account. And as black swan events shake the financial system, having a gold IRA ensures that you have physical gold on hand or in a vault ready to protect your wealth from unforeseen risks. To wrap it up, if you're looking to protect your savings from black swan events, a gold IRA is a powerful tool to consider. But if you want to work with the most trusted gold IRA company in America, check out the free Gold IRA checklist linked in the description. It's a resource I personally trust with all my gold and savings, and it's perfect for American retirees with $100,000 or more in their IRA or 401k, or even $5 million plus in savings. If you've got $50,000 or less, don't worry, there's another great alternative linked below as well.